Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So before we get started, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about common NFT scams and how to avoid them. So make sure to watch the full video. How do NFT scams work? Scammers often use phishing attacks to steal prized NFTs. Most NFT fraudsters aim to get access to your NFT account. They do this by using a variety of phishing cons to get you to hand over your private wallet key. Once these scammers access your account, they'll quickly drain it before you even get wind of the scam. If scammers can't get NFT holders' login details, they'll create a fake or worthless NFT project and prey upon people's fear of missing out and the lure of a quick buck to make them invest. Once the NFT gathers steam and investments pour in, the fraudsters vanish with the funds. 5 most common NFT scams. Now that we understand how NFT scams work, let's peel apart 5 of the most common ones. 1. Rug pull scams. A rug pull refers to a scam where developers hype an NFT but pull out after receiving substantial funds from investors. These crypto developers often use social media to build trust and fanfare around their NFT while waiting for investor funds to pour in. Then they shut down the entire project and vanish with the funds as soon as they have enough. A classic case of an NFT rug pull scam is the Frosties NFT rug pull operated by a pair of 20-year-olds Ethan Guyen and Andra Lacuna. They touted their NFT with several promises, including exclusive mint passes, giveaways, and dibs on a metaverse game. However, they shut down their website and social media accounts after investors poured in over $1.3 million. 2. Phishing scams. In general, hackers use phishing to access your NFT account details. To do this, they send out fake links, often through email or popular social media channels and forums like Twitter and Discord. Once you click the link and enter your details, hackers use keylogging or spyware to access your account and compromise it. Unsurprisingly, NFT phishing scams are on the rise. For example, in February 2022, scammers made away with nearly $1.7 million worth of NFTs in a phishing attack targeted at OpenSea, the most popular NFT platform. OpenSea had asked users to update their contact details, but scammers copied the trading platform's email and sent NFT owners links to fraudulent websites. 3. Bidding scams. Bidding scams often happen in the secondary market when you try to sell your NFT. When you put your NFT up for sale, scammers place the highest bid and you naturally want to sell it to them. However, these scammers can change the cryptocurrency used for the bidding without your knowledge. Imagine a fraudster bids 20 Ether for your NFT art. They'll be expecting to receive around $9,000 per the going rate at the time of writing. However, a crafty scammer can switch out the crypto to 50 Dogecoin, which is worth less than $5. To avoid such scams, always double-check which crypto you're being paid with and be sure not to accept anything less than the agreed-upon bidding offer. 4. Pump and dump schemes. In a pump and dump NFT scam, fraudsters artificially inflate the price of an NFT by misrepresentation and spreading misleading information. Once the price goes up, they dump the NFT and disappear without a trace, leaving investors with worthless assets. Usually, fraudsters use social media and celebrity endorsements to build a frenzy around an NFT. In many cases, they pour money into the NFT, ramping up the price and making it difficult for investors to ignore. 5. Plagiarized NFTs. At the very core, NFTs are about creating unique digital tokens. Unfortunately, plagiarism runs rampant on many NFT platforms. Recently, OpenSea reported that over 80% of NFTs minted using its minting tool were fake. So the chances are high that you might be buying a stolen copy of a real-world artist's work. Unsurprisingly, your NFT's value will tank as soon as it becomes clear that it's fake. That's why you should verify an NFT before making a purchase. Also, be sure to check the seller's history and social media profiles to confirm if the art is original and belongs to them. Less common NFT scams. There are other equally dangerous but less popular scams that can also cost you your NFTs. Let's take a look at a few of them. 1. NFT giveaways, airdrop scams. Also known as airdrop scams, NFT giveaway scams occur when fraudsters ask you to promote an NFT and sign up on their website in exchange for a free NFT. Once you're done, they'll send you a link requiring you to enter your wallet details to receive the prize. These NFT scammers copy your account details and use them to access your NFT collection. 2. Investor scams. Investor scams occur when fraudsters create legitimate NFT projects and tout them as worthwhile investments. However, in reality, the projects are worthless. After stockpiling enough investor funds, the fraudsters disappear without a trace. One example is the Evil Ape investor scam. The anonymous NFT creator disappeared with 798 other ETH, worth over $2.7 million, never to be heard from again. To avoid such scams, thoroughly research the NFT creator to ensure they're trustworthy. 3. Customer support impersonation. This is a kind of phishing scam where fraudsters pose as customer support agents for an NFT marketplace. They'll typically contact you through social media channels like Discord, Telegram, or Twitter with an issue regarding your account. Then, under the guise of helping you, they'll send over a link to fake NFT marketplaces that require you to enter your private wallet keys. As a rule of thumb, only respond to customer support requests from your legitimate NFT marketplace and their approved channels. Contact your NFT marketplace's official customer support channels if you're in doubt. How to avoid NFT scams. Don't click on suspicious links. You might end up giving your account details to a fraudster. Never share your password or seed phrase. Also, enable two-factor authentication on your account to add an extra layer of protection. Do your research before investing in an NFT. Always verify the NFT seller's identity and history before making a purchase. Use your virtual private network VPN to encrypt and anonymize your NFT traffic. We recommend ExpressVPN, the best VPN for NFTs. Use a cold storage wallet to keep your digital assets offline. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.